Okay. Today's little haul, we have 2 bags. This one, I'm pretty sure that's my new oven ready. See, the old oven ready was fine. It's still working, but it is a pain to split in half. Which is annoying if you're getting a bit of a draft. I'm always suspicious when it's more than one bag. Oh, look, another bag. Because they do pack stuff in multiples.
Multiples. Not just a lady get multiples. Or menopause.
Fuck me. Sideways with it. Spatula. God, that horrible material. Oh, shivers. Right, that is my new oven ready. It's a different size to the last one. This one is bigger actually, because the last one was 2 meters by 2 meters. This is 2 meters by 2.5. I didn't realise I got a bigger one. But yeah, that's I think that might be slightly thinner than the old one. I'm not sure. But yeah, that's yeah, 2.5 meters by 2 meters. Basically, that is going to be a nice new oven ready for me. It's great. It's basically foil on both sides, foam in the middle. It's a fairly robust thing, and the only reason it broke before is because I tried using it as an underquilt and my ass split. So there, that is my new oven ready, my tin foil blankie. That basically goes on top of me, and if it's the same as the other one I've got, which it seems to be the same, just a little bit bigger, then that blocks all the wind. And it's bloody brilliant. And that is extremely lightweight and very, God, I can do the creeps out. Feel the material. But it's really, really good and essential. This is better than a sleeping bag. Given a choice between this and a sleeping bag, this is better. Because it blocks the wind. Got that for now. 2 more. No idea what that is, and there's no address or anything like this little. Yeah, these things can be a pain to get into. What the hell is that? More bags. Oh, clips. Right. Right, that's really small. I thought these were bigger. Bags. More bags. Right, okay. These are. Let's see if give me a strong now. No, a couple of remaining teeth. What these are for camping. So the idea is that these is that you open them up, you then use that on your oven ready, or your tents, or your bit of canvas, whatever it is. So let's have an example. So you got your tent flap, your whatever it is. You push it on there, it clamps on tight. You can put your guy rope, paracord through there and tie it on. Yep, that's the idea. I thought they were going to be bigger than that, to be honest, but they weren't very expensive. Just little plastic things, but I've got, what, 10, I think? Yeah. So yeah, that's another little thing that, not right now, but at some point in the future, that's going to be a handy thing to have. I'm getting quite a few of these handy things to have for the future. I have just decided that the next time I go out excuse me, is camp building time. Because I've now, it was an experiment doing the hammocking, the camping and tenting, which I've not done for a long time. But because of the crash, can't really ride at the moment. Another bag. So I'm going to be taking my little hatchet, which is not much good for actually hatcheting stuff. It's more for like scalping pale faces than it is for actually chopping up wood. But I've got a little bow saw, a very little bow saw, and we've got a half decent knife. So I'm going to go and do a bit of camp building. Oh, another nice bag that I can reuse. I like these strong ones. What the hell is that? Cause I've got 30 things on order. What the Ooh, that's oh my god, they're so tiny. Magnets. That's magnets. Brilliant. Magnets for my experiments. Because I got copper somewhere as well. So yeah. So that's basically just a little stack of magnets, and yeah, that's aside from the therapy aspect of just playing with little magnetic things. It's part of my experiments I'm doing. I need to get some mercury at some point, but yeah, that's get in there. Magnets. They can go in there. Get in there with that lot, because that's my experimentation pot with my. Yeah, I would say those magnets are working quite well because they're having a nice reaction with the copper. So yeah, one of the experiments, I'm doing quite a few experiments. One of the experiments is going to be putting the copper ball bearings, very tiny copper ball bearings, in the still, or actually in the end product of the spirits with the magnets, so it's and put a bit of warmth into it, so it's constantly bubbling away, and that should hopefully condense the sulfuric nature of the spirits, and then so it should drop down to the bottom of the bottle. In theory, but these things are not exactly expensive, and I like to experiment. I like to play. That is today's little haul. What's the packaging? Well, hey.